In this video, I'm going to show you some settings on your YouTube channel that you need to update to help grow your brand or business. Let's get into it. Hi, I'm Tony from O4G Media. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to make videos to help grow your business or to grow your YouTube channel, then start by subscribing and hitting that bell so you don't miss a thing. So there are some settings on YouTube that you need to update if you haven't already that will help with views and engagement. And we will jump right into the computer and I'll show you how to do that. To make these changes, you'll have to go into your YouTube studio. You need to go up to the top right corner where your channel art is. You click on that and you choose YouTube studio. You go right to the bottom where it says setting here. By clicking on that, that will take you into all the settings we need to make to update our YouTube channel. So the first thing we're going to be changing will be our channel keyword, and we'll find that here on the channel and basic information. Your channel keywords are used by YouTube to help it learn about your channel and what it is and what your video content is about. That way, when there are searches made against those keywords, your video content will pop up in the search results. So you enter the keywords that best describe the kind of content your channel is about. So put tips, you put a comma, and that automatically does that for you. Let's say YouTube hacks, comma, and so on and so forth. You can put as many as you want that best describe what your channel is about. So the next step is to go into advanced settings. Now this is where you choose your audience. Now this will help your workflow immensely, because if you don't choose it, then that means you're going to keep changing it every single time you upload a new video. So the next settings you want to take a look at will be branding. This is where you add a watermark to all your videos, encouraging your viewers to subscribe to your channel. I will leave a link in the description below for you to download this actual watermark. If you want to go a step further by changing the subscribe button to your brand colors, I will leave a link to the video in the card above and also in the description to show you how I created this in Canva. So the next setting we're going to have a look at is the upload defaults. Now here's a power tip for you. You can have text in here pre-filled, ready for you on each video that you upload. Now this will save you a lot of time trying to copy and paste this from a notebook or notepad somewhere and then populate this. So if you already have this in here, you don't need to do all that, and all you need to just do is add your title, and at the top here you can just you can add the actual description of the video that your viewers are about to watch. Then we're going to go into advanced settings. Now you want to make sure that your license is standard YouTube license. Basically what that means is you're telling YouTube that you're giving them the permission for them to use your content. However, if you choose Creative Commons, what you're saying is you're allowing anybody on YouTube to use your content, and I would strongly recommend that you use this one instead. So the last one is going to be under community, where we have our filters. Here you can add moderators if you're having a live event on YouTube. The same thing goes for approved users and hidden users. Here under blocked words, you can add certain words that you feel might be either offensive or you don't want in your comment sections, and this is where you add those words in. And once you're done with all of that, just click on save and you're good to go. Now that you've made the changes to your YouTube channel, there's one thing left to do now. Press record. If you found this video to be helpful, then please share it where you can. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.